How is a shot made from start to finish at Glitch Productions? Well, my name's David, I'm the post-production lead at Glitch, and I want to show you how we go from this to this. Now don't be fooled, this is a deceptively simple shot, and I want to show you why. Let's take it all the way back to the script here. Our director, Gooseworks, has written that the stupid sauce needs to come out of the bottle at such a high velocity that it bounces up and hits Ragatha in the eye. Kinda tricky, but let's see what pre-production comes up with in the boards and we'll go from there. Alrighty, thank you pre-production. Now that we have the general composition of the shot done, I can see that there's perhaps room for the sauce to come out on more of an angle, and using the curvature of the bun and the toppings, have the sauce bounce up as if the unevenness will contribute to the change in the angle of velocity. So in other words, as long as we can really sell the explosiveness of the sauce coming out of a bottle, we've all been there, trying to get it out, we should be fine. So Goose gives us some ideas on the sauce's viscosity and colouring, along with some reference images. And after that, we do our first pass of character animation to really start getting a feel for things. I'm now able to take this first pass of Ragatha and do a simple 2D animation of the initial spurt of the liquid to help get the timing sorted. And this is nothing special either, it's just shapes and After Effects, but it's a solid foundation for everyone to work with. So once that's looking good, I hand the 2D effects back to the animator for them to fine-tune their animation to line up with the new source. They're able to bring my 2D render back into their 3D Maya scene and overlay the footage onto their animation to really get things to line up. So now that we have 3D animation and 2D looking good, it's time to hand over the shot to 3D visual effects so they can run a simulation for the big splatter. It's much easier to art direct 2D liquid animation because you just draw where it needs to go. But we only really need to keep the part where the sauce hits Ragatha in the eye here. The rest can be a nice big fun explosion, and we use the Niagara system inside Unreal Engine to do this. So after a few tries and iterations, we land on something that we like. Goose takes a look at this and confirms that we're all heading in the right direction. And now we just polish everything in compositing. Add some extra shapes to help sell the liquid effect, add some additional color grading, and then bam, shot's done. So 4 seconds of animation here comprises of scripting, storyboarding, multiple levels of character animation, 2D effects, 3D simulation effects, and compositing. And all of this is finished off with color grading and sound design. And that's all, that's everything, that's all there is to it. Hope you learned something new, hope you enjoyed yourself. If you'd like to see any other shots explained, just leave a comment down below and we'll see what we can do in the future. Bye.